do like a lesson on this song, A Closing Time by Semisonic, I believe is the name of the band. It's an older song, but it's a good beginner song. Only has 4 chords, and they're the same through both the verse and the chorus. I believe the guy who wrote it is in that band. I believe he went on to write a bunch of other songs, probably the most well-known being some of the Adele songs. This song is pretty basic, but for those of you who just want to learn the song, skip ahead because this is a beginner lesson, so I'm going to cover on how to play all the chords. But later on, I'll just run through the song too. The first chord in the song is a G. Okay. It goes like this. Closing time. Open all the doors and let you out into the world. Closing time. Turn off all the lights. On over every boy and girl. Something like that is how it goes. And then the chorus goes, I know who I want to take me home. I know who I want to take me home. Alright, so let's go through the chords and how to play them. They're all open position chords, which is another reason this is good for beginners. Okay, the G you play by placing your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the low E. Then most people play the middle finger on the A string at the 2nd fret, and the pinky goes on the high E string on the 3rd fret. Remember, this is the same notes, G, G. If you play it open, it's E, E. Okay, and then what I usually do is just mute the A string, and I just play the G like that. So that's the easy way to play it. G, play it either way though, it's fine. Next chord is D. It's played on the top 3 strings, and then the 4th string is played open, because that's a D. Yeah, that's your D string. So that's the lowest note in this chord. First finger is on the G string. Your ring finger is on at the 2nd fret. Is the first finger is on the G string at the 2nd fret. Your ring finger, which is this one, is on the 3rd fret and the B string, which is your the 2nd string from the top. And then your middle finger, your FU finger, is on the E string on the 2nd fret. So it creates a little triangle pointing that way. You play. And you can even play the open A string. It's fine, because that A is one of the notes in the D chord. Alright, that's the D. Next note is A minor. That's played on the top 5 strings. Okay, we take our index finger, we place it on the 1st fret on the 2nd string, which is your B string. Okay, the E is open, the high E. Then we place our ring finger on the 2nd fret on the B string. No, yeah, on the G string, I'm sorry. So we got the index on the B, 3rd finger on the G. Then your middle finger is going to go on the D string at the 2nd fret. That's the first chord in Stairway to Heaven. And then your 5th string is open. That's your lowest note. That's called the root. A minor. Okay. Now, the A minor we're going to leave, the next chord C, so we're going to leave our index finger alone. It's going to stay on that B string at the 1st fret. because that's a C note, and we're going to play C. All right, we're going to place our middle finger on the 4th string at the 2nd fret. And we're going to place our ring finger on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. And that's the whole chord. We don't play the low E. We leave that out. We just play strings 5 through 1. So you can go through that now. 1, 2. 1, 2 for the down strokes. That's what I would work on, developing, just, being able to smoothly move between those chords. Closing down. One call, last call for alcohol. So finish your whiskey or beer. And again, the chord progression is G, D, A minor, C. And then over the chorus, it's the same chord progression, but just the melody changes. I know who I want to take me home. But you can still do the 1, 2 on the downstrokes. I know who I want to take me home. I know who I want to take me home. Repeats 3 times and then take me home. That's the 4th time. Okay, and then it just goes into the next verse. So that's a great beginner song. Closing Time by Semisonic. It's a good final song to play if you're playing a gig. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.